Hi guys, Jack here with jdevver videos, and today I'm going to show you the process that you have to go through when you're replacing your iPhone. I have an iPhone 3G, and the center button here isn't working on it, so I'm going to go ahead and send it back. Here's the box Apple sent me, so let's open it up. Got foam here, protective foam. On the top here we got just the step-by-step guide what to do. In the right little pocket here we got a box that says iPhone. Set that off to the side for now. Here we have some tape. And the SIM removal here. iPhone service guide. An iPhone Apple Care service box. Looks like that's just what you resend your broken phone in. Alright, so we can set all of this good stuff to the side for now. And let's look at the iPhone here. Okay, got your iPhone in a nice little bag there. Oh, with that great plastic on it. Let's see if we can get that satisfying sound. No. Alright, there we go. Alright, so let's go ahead and turn the new iPhone on. You got your nice Apple logo there. There we go. No SIM card installed. Insert a valid SIM with no pin lock to activate iPhone. Alright, so let's turn it back off. Slide the power off. Alright, so we'll get my old iPhone and the SIM removal tool here. I've actually never removed the SIM cards, so let's power this one off first. Alright, it's turning off. Got a little dial there. Alright, let's pop on the new iPhone, pop the SIM thing out. There we go. Alright, we'll set that there. Take that little tool. Alright, now the new iPhone, or the old iPhone. We'll pop it out. And there's the SIM. Alright, so we just put that right in the new one. Wait, okay. There's a little piece of like plastic in there. Alright, so just put that in there. Why is it not fitting? Alright. So you got your SIM card in the tray there. And then just slip it into the top of the phone there. Alright, now let's turn it back on. We can move that. Alright, and so we'll just hook it up to iTunes in a second. Alright, so let's see what we need to do for the old iPhone. Up here it says, pack it up, remove the SIM card from your old phone. Alright, we did that. Place the bag. Alright, remove this. Alright, okay. Place the white box in the foam in the shipping box. Alright, so let's just put that there. Take my old iPhone, slip it in this nice little foam pouch here. And just put that in the white box. Close it up. And we just put it in there. I'm not sure what this strip of tape is for. Oh well. Maybe to close up the box, I don't know. But that's pretty much it. Close it up and ship it off. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe And check out my giveaway video. I'm giving away a iPod Touch, a Wii, and an Xbox 360. That's it. Thanks for watching.